everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete Snapchat chat from both sides. So simply you have to make sure some settings will do that. Simply you just have to make sure the settings of your account and just have to make sure that we have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. So simply go back to Snapchat and simply you have to just go to the chat section of your Snapchat and you want to go to the any person chat just like that. I want to go that person chat. I tap on it and just wait. I'm gonna go to the chat of that person just like that. I want to say hi and I want to delete that from both sides. Just tap on that and you go to the option just like that, delete, and just delete the chat and you see that it is deleted from the both sides. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related upcoming videos. If you find like our videos, thumbs up subscribe button and make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.